I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and it is Monday, February 22nd. In this video, I want to look where not too many people are looking right now, and that's gold. Specifically, we're looking at Nugget. That's the 3 times bull shares. You get 3 times as much bang for your buck here. This is the miners ETF, and here's the thing. You know, there was a big breakout on gold. Everybody was talking about it for the last couple weeks, and Mark Cuban went long out of the money calls on GLD. Dennis Gartman got bullish on gold, bullish of gold, whatever. And so everybody's running after gold, and it made a great move. So here's what I'm saying. What's the next move? Are we buying? Are we waiting? Are we going to hang on to this and then wait for the next breakout and make a gang of money? This nugget's going to go all the way up to $100. I don't think so. I want you to look at a couple things here. First of all, GLD. This is the metal, not the miners, but this got way overextended. Big blow off top here. Look at the volume. Now, this is going to take a while to work itself out. I mean, this looks kind of like, I'm not going to show you the chart, but like Smith & Wesson did at one point, only that was in an uptrend. But here, the stock went basically parabolic. This, unless it's some huge, massive short squeeze, and it ain't, this just doesn't keep going like this. It needs time to relax. The only way this is going to start moving up again from here, and hence, this is going to be something that you want to be long right now. The only way that's going to happen, frankly, is if the S&P starts cratering. If China does what China's capable of doing, which is implode. Some of the other markets do what they do. If the central bankers, Christine Lagarde, you know, the gal with the big deep tan and the gray hair, she shares a tanning booth with John Boehner, I think. I'm not sure, but I think they do. Maybe it's a double bet. Anyway, her and Draghi and Yellen and the rest of them, if they start really going to town, you're going to see a big spike in gold. But so far, I don't really see this happening. I see this just sticking around here. The gold miners, same thing, just kind of sticking around here. Here's what I want you to do on the GDX. I use TC2000. I will set my price alert for 1905. And I'll set it there for a month. And I'm not going to restart it because I'll restart it. When this goes over 1905, I'm going to want to know about it. Similarly with the nugget here, because this moves fast. The top here was 56.89. So we'll set this for 57. Now, you can say, well, shoot, man, that's a long way from where it is now. A long way. $5, it's about 10%. Look, this thing moves really fast, really far. So I'll wait. If I get an alert here on a breakout, this thing can easily go into the 60s and 70s just on sheer momentum. So the reason I wanted to show you this now is because this isn't a trade right now, but it's not a trade that used to be either. In other words, I'm not showing you what you could have done last week or the week before. I'm showing you what you should be able to do next week or the week after that, or frankly even, you know, later this week. But the point is, if my alerts are not triggered, and I'm not going to send one out, you know what the alerts are. You can set them yourself. You got software just like I do. If I know where those alerts are and they are not triggered, then I don't want to be farting around with gold. I don't want anything to do with it. So this is a way that you can know that you're gonna be there if you want to be there, because somebody's going to tap you on the shoulder. You're alert. And if you don't want to be there, nobody's going to come and invite you to the party. That's a dud anyway. So anyway, that's how I'm trading gold. Hope you'll check it out and maybe you can make that trade. Let's go make some money.